Welcome back, everyone. Today's project, this good old fan. I've had this thing since 2013. I purchased this for my original shop. If anyone remembers the D-Man custom shop up in the attic, those were the good old days when I first started making knives. Anyways, throughout the years I've maintained this, take it apart, clean it out, etc. But for the last, I think it was 3 or 4 years now, I've been slacking. I haven't done much to it other than grease and lubricate the motor without taking it apart, doing it the shortcut way. Anyways, so I figured I'd whip out the camera since I have it apart. Well, the beginning of it. So the best thing that I came up with is this little brush here. Put it onto a drill and go to town. Now the cool thing about it, if you can see, it's leaving these scratch patterns. I think that's pretty wild. Like a brushed effect onto the aluminum blades. As you can see, it's cleaning up very nice. That one's on there. It's now stripping. Holy shit. Alright, beast mode. Holy shit. Alright. Oh, now I stripped it. Not a problem. Alright, what do we do when we have a seized bolt or screw? Yep. You in the back. You were right. Cut it out. There we go. Now I can clean the cage there, or should I say the frame. And now I can get in here and start cleaning all this crap. See if I can grab the right first. Okay. Phillips screw right here. Look at that. First shot. Grab the right size. Alright, now the problem is breaking it. Holy shit. That thing's on there. Alright, let's put that against that. Grab this, put this the wrong way, like that. And then I'll use the vice grips to break it free. Yo, wow. Holy shit. And now, a lot easier to clean back here, right? And there's that motor. Look at this. Clean off the big stuff first. For a solenoid. These are actually the first things to go on a fan. Also, generators, from experience. Okay. Now the hard part is cleaning this motor. But the best thing is always, always, always just take it apart. Okay. Take it right out of there. Now course. Oh yeah, that's the one I stripped a while back. Last time I did this. Yeah, luckily, got it out. Ooh. I almost got banged in the face with that. Okay, and then that's right. I gotta take out this here, this here. That's the switch. And that solenoid. I'm gonna put that screw separate because last time I almost lost that. Alright, there we go. Now, where am I getting caught on? Oh, okay. Okay, and now this here goes like that. And there we go. Check out the blade. Very clean. I like the little brushed effect that I did there. If you can see that, those little scrapes. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Alright, on to the next stage. Alright, enough of that noise. I've got it all cleaned up. Now it's time to put it all back together. Right, first things first is the motor. Okay? Now the motor has to go from outside in, right? Like this. Like this. Like that. It's going to be like that. But it goes in like this, set that down, this goes here like so. Alright, get in there. There we go. And yeah, this is actually the straight right here. Forgot about that. And then just gotta find the right spot, which is down here. This here, here, and this is supposed to go right here, like so. See, this is good. There's a little notch there, and then the motor is supposed to go in, and there's a little notch here. That's where this cable goes. So that's the hardest part, is getting that actually. Believe it or not, see, like right there. And just gotta twist it like right here, see? And then I gotta pull back on the motor. See what I'm saying? It always comes out. I remember that. Pain in the ass. Okay. I don't know if I asked somebody before for help on this or what. But I know that I had a hard time putting this in. Okay, like that. I'll put that here like so. And then turn this over like so. Okay. Yeah, pain in the ass, believe me. Never enough hands in the world. See, there we go. Getting there. Now, I think it was this washer and the nut. Just gonna put two of them for now. end just to hold it there. I think I already lost 800 and something calories, sweating like crazy. I need a fan to get this fan going, cool me off. That'll be my reward at the end. Anyways, as you can see, she's back in. So what I do now is I'm gonna just put her back here, on here, like that. I'm gonna hold that there. Now there's a washer. This is another crazy engineering they did here. A washer behind the screen, and then another washer with a screw, like this. I think you can even see this actually, what I'm doing. Just screwing the damn screw. Okay, that's one. Now, I'll do the bottom one. Here's the one I cut away. It was stripped. Crazy. Okay, another one back here. Let me see if you can see that. A little more down. There we go. So I'm right over here. Okay, let's see where I'm at. That goes there. Yeah, this washer here behind the screen is a pain in the ass. And then the screw itself. Alright, so now after here, I'm not going to tighten all the way. I still got to do all the other ones. Alright, so now at this point, I can go ahead and start tightening the motor. Go up a little more. There. Zoom in. Hard to see. I'm gonna have to get the right bit for this as well. Alright, I have here the washer that is missing. Or was it missing from the last time? Can't recall. Well, I picked everything up off the ground. So, yep, it must have been last time. I actually have washers over there. Let me see if I need one. I don't need one. That's fine. Let me get the right tool for that. Okay, it's too big. Actually, that might work. There we go. Here's medium mode, low, back to high. Oh, shut off. Back to high. Thanks for coming in. Nice quick maintenance job. Always does the trick, guys, gals. Maintain your equipment. Had this thing since 2013. Harbor Freight. Clean it out every 2-3 years tops. And guess what? It's gonna last. Thanks for coming in. I'm out of here. Cheers.